Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on the DeWalt Impact Screwdriver bit set. This particular model comes in a 30-piece screwdriving bit set, which includes screw bits, nut drivers, sockets, a magnetic holder, a socket adapter, and a magnetic screw lock sleeve. I've used it mainly on small jobs like assembling a bookshelf and on kitchen cabinets, but I think its real power is using it with an impact driver for tougher jobs. One unique feature about this DeWalt Impact Screwdriver bit set is the FlexTorq bits, which has a 15-degree reflex core and is optimized for use in impact drivers. Another unique feature is the magnetic screw lock sleeve, which is designed to work with the FlexTorq bits and is very handy, especially when working alone. Though it does take some effort to pull out the screw bit from the sleeve. The organizer box is really handy too because it helps keep things organized and is very compact to carry around. If you have an all-in-one screwdriver, you can use the screw bits with it as well. The only negative thing I've found about this bit set is that after frequent use, you will find that the black coating on the bits will wear off. But the bits themselves are high quality, so that's not a big deal for me. To learn more about the DeWalt Impact Driver bit set, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this review useful. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.